Welcome to Mind Over Markets. In the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into the psychology of trading. This isn't just about charts and numbers. It's about the mindset that turns losing trades into winning strategies. Think of every mistake you've made in trading as a stepping stone. It's time to stop losing and start winning. The difference between a trader who struggles and a trader who thrives often comes down to mindset. Success in the markets isn't luck, it's discipline, it's patience, and it's the ability to stay calm when emotions are screaming at you to react. Losses are not failures, they are lessons. Each loss reveals something about your system, your habits, or your psychology. The traders who win long-term are not the ones who never lose. They are the ones who learn, adapt, and keep going with clarity and focus. Picture this: a trade goes against you. The red numbers flash. Panic sets in. Most traders react instantly. They cut at the wrong spot, or they double down out of fear. But a disciplined trader pauses. They take a breath. They follow a plan. That calm, deliberate pause can be the difference between compounding mistakes and setting up the next win. Winning consistently is about building habits. Start with your environment. A cluttered screen, endless indicators, constant distractions, these drain your focus. Strip it back. Trade with intention. Know your levels, know your setup, and execute with confidence. Every professional trader knows this. Mindset is a muscle. You train it with repetition. You strengthen it with discipline. And when you master your mindset, you give yourself the edge that most traders never even realize they're missing. The markets will always test you. They will tempt you to break your rules. They will challenge your patience. But if you can train yourself to respond with discipline, you'll not only survive, you'll thrive. Stop losing. Start winning. The difference is discipline. If this resonated with you, subscribe today. You'll get access to exclusive trading strategies and psychology lessons we don't share anywhere else. The next video will walk you through higher time frame mastery, the foundation of consistent profits.